100%. Online networking can just be exhausting because usually you're networking for the sake of trying to get a gig, trying to book a client, and you're wanting to get a lead, and you've got a spreadsheet of sound. Lots of marketers have that. They'll have a spreadsheet of leads that they've spoken to and potential clients, and are they in my target audience? Where an in-person networking event, you can book a client from there. I'm not saying that you can't, but it comes with more of like a community feel because you're surrounded by lots of people rather than just you and the other person behind their screen.
You know what you made me think about as well? We were talking about something. I'm going to do one shameless plug on our side. There is something that we created. If you are doing online events, is part of our student community. So it's inside the All Access Pass, but also it's in our shop. So in our shop page, we have a 525 150 networking tracker. You can do your own. So I'm going to tell you how it works. If you want, I've done it for you in Notion, but it's up to you. I want to mention it because it kind of talks a bit about how I approach networking online, I guess, but I also use it for both. So this is somebody else's framework, but it's passed so many hands. I don't know exactly who's the first person that came up with it, but it's 525 150. How it works is you identify, I would say maybe every month or even every quarter, 5 people that you can help the most or that you can have the most impact when it comes to your work or their work. And these are people that maybe you want to touch base every week. And then you have 25 people that you reach out monthly and 150 people that you reach out quarterly. It can be 50 people that you want to reach out to quarterly. If you think about it, it's not going to be every quarter on the 1st of December, you message 150 people. But by keeping track with a spreadsheet or something like the Notion one that I have, it allows you then to be like, well, talk to this person, and then automatically will tell you it's been 90 days. This really speaks to me because, for example, for me, the partners are somebody that I want to reach out quarterly. Most of our teachers I like to check in on monthly. You can even do it just from a client perspective. I just wanted to share it because, one, I know it works because our students absolutely love that template because it's a system. And two, it really helps me because one of the things that I struggled with the most when it came to networking, for the sake of networking, but not really, is talking to somebody with an open idea of, yes, I want to have a coffee chat just to get to know you, but also I think I can add value to what you do, or you can add value to what I do.